Hey everyone, it's Janelle here. I am the official DBN Beauty makeup artist and the CEO, and I'm just going to be explaining everything I'm doing in this video. This is my gorgeous model Gina. She was excited to get her makeup done this day. Here I'm using my DBN Beauty products. So this is from my Perfect Brow collection. I'm using the brow pomade in medium brown, and I'm using my Perfect Duo brush to fill in her brow. Depending on how light-handed or heavy-handed you are is the color payoff it's going to have. So I didn't want it to be too dark, but I did want it to, pop. So I was pretty much doing some medium strokes and just blending it out with the spoolie side of the brush. When you're doing brows, you can either go with the natural arch or you can create an arch. You can do anything you want, really. So I went with her natural arch, but I did bring it up a little higher just to give her like a face lifted look, And you will see as the video goes on how I carve it out with my other brush. So you'll see that in a second. And I say this all the time, your eyebrows are not always going to be twins, but they will be sisters, okay? So it is fine if they do not look identical. They are still perfect. They are still perfect brows, okay? Just get them as best as you can. Do your best to get them to match. This is my favorite brush that I have in the DBN Beauty shop. This is the Perfect Sculpting brush, you guys. And I'm also using my Creaseless Concealer. It is so smooth and creamy, and it really did the job with sculpting that eyebrow out. Like, I didn't even have to use a lot of product at all, you guys. It is so, it covers, and it's just so creamy and nice. So it did it with just one stroke. I was able to carve out her eyebrow with that. So I'm using the sculpting brush and the Creaseless Concealer. Her shade, I used Honeycomb. And I could have gone a little lighter. Lighter than Honeycomb is Lily. But, I didn't want it to be that light for her look. And this brush was specifically made to carve out the perfect brow, you guys. And also, it's not just for brows. You can use it for anything. You can use it to put concealer on under your eyes, or even making a really, really good cut crease. Like that would be another video. I'll show you how to do a perfect cut crease with this brush because it is so perfectly round and flat. It is a really good brush. And this is a duo brush as well. I did it specifically for eyebrows because once you carve it out, you need to blend it out. And on the other side is a small blending brush. You can blend out under the eye and over the eye. So this is the perfect brush, you guys. So make sure you go shop at dbnbeauty.com and see how you like it. Try it out. Give me a review. Tell me how you like it and show me in some videos. Let me see your brows. You really can't beat that, guys. Like, honestly, this is why I call it the Perfect Brow Collection, because you literally have everything you need to get a perfect brow. You have the pomade, you have the dual brow brush with the spoolie on the end, and the other brush to dip it in the pomade. You have the sculpting brush, you have the concealer, you have everything in one collection, and it is not expensive. It's not cheap either, but it's not expensive. It's the perfect price. It's the perfect brow collection, you guys. Go cop it before it goes away. It's not going to be here for too long, but definitely get it while it's here. Let me just pause here, interrupting really briefly to show you the website, dbnbeauty.com, because this is not a game, okay? This is real life. These are the real products, and I'm just scrolling down, showing you my models, showing you the site here. I got some videos on there. This is the products, some cute pictures. This is Gina, the one I'm doing now. Hey, girl. So just see what's going on with that, okay? All right, back to the video. So that's pretty much it for my products. Everything else you're going to see in this video is just stuff that's in my kit. And if you want to know what I'm using, just leave a comment and I will direct you to whatever I'm using. And my beautiful model here, she does have a birthmark, a vitiligo on her face. She usually covers it, and it was so good to do her face because I've never done it before. She was so beautiful, and she usually covers it, so I did find a way to cover it because I usually don't have full coverage foundations. I usually have buildable ones, so I was able to do that for her in this video. So if you want to know how and what I use, just leave a comment because I'm going to stop talking after this. There's nothing else for me to say. Just watch it and enjoy, you guys. Like, comment, and share. Let everybody know about DBN Beauty products. We are a Black-owned business. We out here getting it. Thank you, Jesus.